Boom. I will share you today's lesson is a secret pattern. Are you excited to learn?
Of course.
Please, watch until the end.
You should learn like this pattern.
You will regret it if you don't learn this pattern. Firstly, let me introduce my channel. This is Easy Talk Corner that helps you to develop your English speaking. If you want to speak English quickly, don't forget to like and share this channel. Because I'm going to share useful pattern. It's adjective plus verb. It's easy to learn. It's hard to wake up early. I will explain you step by step. Here's his explanation. Formula. Step 1. It's a subject. Step 2. Feeling, difficult, and opinion are adjectives. Step 3. To plus verb, action. Here is an example of an adjective with Burmese translation. Let's make sentences with these adjectives. It's easy to cook. It's easy to drive a car. It's easy to speak English. It's hard to find cheap rent. It's hard to forget X. It's hard to calculate maths. It's important to respect elders. It's important to understand your kids. It's important to pass the exam. It's fun to celebrate Thingyan. It's fun to play these games. It's fun to do the exercise. It's dangerous to cross the road. It's dangerous to hand out at night. It's dangerous to climb the mountain in the rainy season. It's as amazing to help someone in need. It's amazing to learn new language. It's amazing to see how much you can improve in a short time. I write in Burmese. Please make sure to translate into English. I hope you understand this pattern. If you understand, please write down 3 sentences in the comment box. I will share the pattern every week, so if you want to learn all, like and subscribe please. If you like this secret, share it with your friends. Thank you all for today. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you soon.